Jesus.
Okay. Oh yeah, yaw's weird. Oh crap, yaw's weird.
Yeah, because the camera's so high.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that's smooth. Dude.
Yeah. I honestly can't film it.
Yeah, you basically have to yaw only to turn. It's just...
Holy... Oh, I gotta bleep that out now.
Which way should I go with the wind?
From left to right. So go easy this way. And then turn
Where's the
around
battery
and gun it.
voltage? We'll give you time to 3.8 volts.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah. Jesus.
Yeah, you just basically have to yaw this thing instead of trying to pitch it.
Yeah.
And yaw. Oh, I was gonna do a flip.
No,
Holy
not do
crap.
a flip.
I almost did it.
I don't know what's gonna happen. If
No, by accident.
Yeah.
I just forced a habit. All right, 3.6.
Jeez.
Okay, 3.62.
Alright.
I'm gonna land then. Yeah, 3.66 hovering.
Alright. You see that red X? Alright.
Was that safe enough?
Yeah, that's good.